Lobby be opened. The General Insurance Bill, Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021. Honorable Leader of the House. Honorable Leader of the House. Honorable Leader of the House first.
To all my colleagues in the Parliament, while I do appreciate some of you are of this sentiment,
I'll come to you. Just let him finish.
But a very large section of the House is desirous that we complete
I will allow you.
House.
Just a second.
And the Lok Sabha, the other House has already adjourned.
LOH, he's got a point of order.
It give us also an opportunity
He's got a point of order.
to adjourn the House. And I think it is in the interest, it's a large, very large section which wants to complete the business of the House and get an opportunity to adjourn side to side. I appeal to all my members, I appeal to my friends that let us close the business of the House today itself.
The sense of the House. Okay.
The chair must take the sense of the House.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
3rd of July.
No.
It has been reported on the 23rd of July in the bulletin that in the BSc that was held, it was discussed and decided that whenever it is necessary, the House can sit for. And look at this.
Would you?
This is the whole sense of
Let me read out. Let me read out.
In favor of passing the bills.
Okay. Let me read out what has been already mentioned in the bulletin. It says, let me read out. The committee also recommended that the House may sit beyond 6 p.m. as and when necessary for the transaction of government, legislative and other business. So this has already been mentioned in the bulletin. Based on that, this bill is being brought in. The General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to move a motion for consideration of the General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021.
Rise to move
Honorable
the bill
Minister.
further to amend the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972 as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
Are you going to say something now or would you prefer to say later? Later. Motion moved. There are 4 amendments by Shri Binoy Vishwam, Shri Elamaram Karim, Shri Derek O'Brien and Shri Tiruchi Shiva for reference of the General Insurance Bills Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Members may move their amendments at this stage without any speech. Shri Binoy Vishwam, are you moving your amendment?
He's in bell.
He's in the well. Shri Elamaram Karim, are you moving your amendment? He is not in his place. Shri Derek O'Brien, are you moving your amendment? Okay. Shri Tiruchi Shiva, are you moving your amendment? Amendment moved.
Not moved, sir. Move नहीं किया.
Shri Tiruchi Shiva, are you moving your amendment? You are moving. Amendment moved. The motion for consideration of the bill and the amendments moved thereto are now open for discussion. Shekhar Ray.